What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the basic bouncing animation, and here we will use the CapCut. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So you can start to install or open this CapCut, and don't worry, this CapCut also very accessible, not only in the Android phone but also into your, let's say, iOS phone and also PC and even the tab. And after that you can continue to click new video, and I will go to the library to choose the simple background. For example, I will choose this one and click add. And after this black background has been uploaded, I will start to remove this ending too, and I will also lengthen the duration, let's say to become 10 seconds, like this. And to create the bouncing ball animation, so I will start to put the object or stickers over here. And for example, you can choose this ball, and if you don't find it, don't worry, because you can find it out from this searching section and choose ball, and you can choose which ball do you prefer. There are a lot of option over here. For example, I will choose this one. And after that, I will also lengthen this duration of this object as same as this background. And after that, I will start to put this ball like this. And to create the animation, always you can play with the keyframe. You can start it from this first second, and after that I will move it into the first second or second one, and add the keyframe, and this is the time to give the movement for this ball like this, and move it again or slide it again into the second two, and it's time to move it over here and add the keyframe again like this, and you can create it, go on until this ball is now disappear from the screen or from the video like this. And let's see the result. Boom, bouncing, boom, bouncing, like that. This is very simple animation, but you can also improve it by play with this graph, guys. You can play with the linear, for example, or you can use this ease in from the very slow motion into the linear motion. And you can also adjust it. This is the motion if you use the ease in. So that's all, guys. I hope this video found you helpful, and don't forget to create your own bouncing animation. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.